Get ready, Romero fans. Scream Factory is dropping a brand new 4K UHD restoration of GeorgeARomero's Day of the Dead. 12 years after the Blu-ray, the undead are rising again, thanks to Jeff Rowland and his team, including Jessica Ronderos, Chad Wiley, Steve Johnson, Ashley Franks McGill, Jeffrey Flam, Diane Levine, and Debbie Zamiska. And yet this Day of the Dead's resurrection in high definition follows news of Tom Savini's Night of the Living Dead also coming to 4K. So, prepare yourself for a whole new level of gory glory with Romero's Day of the Dead.